Is it the right time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any key updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 3, 2024, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.49. Now, let's delve into how this affected the stock's performance during that time. The stock experienced a significant loss of -18.82%. This means that on average, it lost -0.70% each day since it was classified as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a wide and falling trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -18.90% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between -25.65% and -1.74%. Meanwhile, the 12-month trend indicates a potential 16.69% change over the next year, with a projected return ranging between 9.59% and 92.58%. In monetary terms, this translates to a price range of $212.12 to $372.78 after 12 months. Our latest update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price up 2.12% on Friday. The stock price of Tesla increased by 2.12% on the last trading day, Friday, February 9, 2024. It went up from $189.56 to $193.57. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the next few days. On Friday, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $189.49 and a high of $194.12, showing a 2.44% change. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 of them, resulting in a 5.63% gain over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded also increased on Friday, signaling a positive technical sign. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 84 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $16.26 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Tesla stock was $299.29, while the lowest price was $152.37. Currently, the price is 35.32% or $105.72 below the 52-week high, and it is 78.5% or $706.83 below the all-time high on January 25, 2021, when the price reached $900.40. Today, we'll be discussing some recent analyst ratings for Tesla, TSLA. On Monday, February 5, 2024, Piper Sandler upgraded Tesla to an overweight grade and recommended a hold action. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, RBC Capital gave Tesla a negative grade and initiated some actions. KGI Securities, on the same day, gave Tesla a neutral grade and downgraded their actions. Moving back to Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform grade but recommended a hold action. Lastly, on Sunday, December 17, 2023, Wedbush again gave Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Tesla stock has received a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we're going to discuss the signals for Tesla stock. Let's dive in. We've identified a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 6.91%. We anticipate further growth until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. As both volume and price are increasing, this indicates a favorable technical signal. However, we must consider some negative signals that could impact the short-term outlook. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $217.89. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support from the short-term average at $187.66. Breaking above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall indication. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 25 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. In this video, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Let's start with support. Tesla currently has support from accumulated volume at $190.93. This means that there is a strong buying opportunity when this support level is being tested. We can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Moving on to risk, it's important to note that Tesla can be considered a high-risk stock. This is due to its high volatility, meaning that it can experience significant price fluctuations during the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. To put it into perspective, in the last day, Tesla's stock price moved $4.63 between its high and low, representing a 2.44% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.08%. Before we get into discussing the potential trading levels for Tesla, it's important to go over some fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are expecting significant growth in the future. Now, moving on to other news. The upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 17, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the earnings per share for this quarter are projected to be $0.700. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for Tesla. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla sits at $234.30. If you're not currently invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, keep an eye on this mark for potential swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Tesla faces its initial support level at $190.93. Should this support hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound in the future. According to multiple analyst sources, Tesla has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 31, 2024, Andrew D. Baglino, one of Tesla's insiders, sold a total of 38,160 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Vaibhav Taneja, another insider, conducted a sell trade of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On the same day, Vaibhav Taneja also made a buy trade, acquiring 4,000 shares of common stock. In addition, Taneja conducted another sell trade on December 14, 2023, selling 4,000 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on December 5, 2023, Xiaotong Zhu, an insider, purchased 2,633 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 68.477. Overall, insiders bought a total of 2,431,732 shares and sold 344,110 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Tesla stock a good buy? When it comes to Tesla stock, we have identified some negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 12, we anticipate Tesla to open with a decrease of $1.18, starting at $192.39. Before we dive into the content, it's essential to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your insights in the comments below. We value your input. Also, don't forget to let us know your target for this stock. We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at Stock Invest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being part of our community.